Okay, so we finally got the mistake that we were making. So the mistake was that in the here initially we had was flapper counter. Now flapper counter is basically the wings movement. We don't want that. We want the record of our last jump. So that's what one mistake that we were making. There were few others. Okay, so we will iterate it one by one that which were the mistakes that we were making. So the second mistake was that let me know. Yeah, so here I had not written I think I had not written greater than 0. It was just lan of birds. This was my second mistake. The third mistake was a very major one, and it was a blunder that I did. Was here there was a less than sign, which indicates that I knew when I was coding, I knew that there has to be some mistake, but I was not getting it. So when will our index of pipe change? When our bird has already crossed the previous pipe. That means that the x coordinate of the bird is greater than the x coordinate of the previous pipe. So this was a mistake that I made, as well as one more mistake was that in the pipe object of 0, this of 0 was not there. This mistake I just told. The second mistake was that when colliding it, I was iterating or lowering the fitness to very low value. It was 0.1, so I did it to 1. So make that change as well. And well, that's it. So now finally, when we run this, okay, not this, not this. Oh, shit. I just a minute. Okay, so we did not go like the first iteration was not so well. Let's just see. Well, it's going well, at least till now. This one word is like my gem. Okay, so this will go on for a little bit. I'll just take a walk and come. Oh, it's okay. I'll be standing here. So well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. This one is like inspiration, and whatever I've learned is from Tech with Tim. I give him all the respect and thank you from the community for making this video. I just thought that whatever he made was that very in a single shot. So after what I did was that in every small intervals, I tried to showcase you something, and I tried to divide this whole video in very small chunks so that it would be very useful for you guys as well. So that's it. I think I'll make some more videos in this series that I'll change the speed, I'll change the weather, I'll change the increase the velocity, and how to actually use this thing. I'll make all the changes. So well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. See you. Tada. Bye bye.